part of AR LaunchPad, we offer a number of free resources for better using the system. Up at the top, we have some tools for you. These include the starter kit, which will download a zip file for you with AR LaunchPad icons, logos, and some layout templates we've made for you to quickly plug in your target images or the images users will scan within the app. Next to that, we have a link to our image editor, which can be used to quickly edit or even create your own custom target images. After that, we have the featured content gallery, which is a curated collection of some example projects which can be used within the app to see how things work. And if you're an educator with a Learn account, we also have a similar resources page for you with templates, content packs, and other things that you can use in the Learn side of the app, as well as a growing list of educational experiences. Lastly, we have an ever-growing list of best practices and tutorials on better using the system for you to read through at your leisure.